From dental hygienist to songwriter. Can you imagine? Most people can't. Well, so there I was cleaning a piece of chicken out of someone's teeth when I thought, oh, maybe I'll be a songwriter. That's not actually how it happened. Actually, I began writing poetry and I was just really expressing myself a lot. And then one trip to Nashville changed everything. In 1994, the city of songwriters, some of the best writers in the world, and bam, it flipped my world upside down. I saw people crafting songs, telling stories through music, singing their songs to crowds that were just focused completely on the song. And I was like, this is what I want to do. I was moved. I was in love. Now, from that moment on, I became a student of songwriting. I picked up the guitar, took lessons, and started writing my own songs. I also co-write with others who knew more music than I and learned from them. I even started performing out some of my original songs. And I would write songs for other artists and watch them, live their dream. I wanted to be a hit songwriter. But then life had other plans.